Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to dispute a charge on your Kikoff credit account. All right, it's gonna be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Kikoff account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website through your computer. But once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on dispute a charge. Next, you're going to enter the transaction date and amount, and then you're going to choose the dispute reason. So you're going to choose the reason for the dispute, and then once that's done, just review and confirm the dispute details and make sure that that's correct. And then you're going to need to provide supporting documents for the dispute, receipts and such. Once that's done, you're going to submit that, and Kikoff is going to settle that for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute a charge on your Kikoff credit account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.